Today I thought I'd share a little bit of info about jack-o'-lanterns. Along with trick-or-treaters and candy, it would be hard to imagine Halloween without jack-o'-lanterns. However, both the holiday and the lantern were heavily influenced by Irish immigrants. Early Northern European Celtic cultures had traditions of using fruits and vegetables to represent human faces, though their purposes at that time is unknown. These traditions would merge with pagan harvest celebrations to form the holiday known as Samhain, which would have been the equivalent of New Year's Day and was celebrated on November 1st. Samhain Eve was celebrated on October 31st and would have been what we now consider Halloween. It was on this day that spirits were thought to move among the living as they passed into the afterlife. The Celts would build bonfires, dress up in costumes, and carve scary faces into root vegetables, such as turnips, to help protect themselves from the spirits. Eventually, these vegetables would later serve as lanterns, as metal lanterns would have been expensive and out of reach to many. Carving faces and designs into the hollowed-out turnips would allow light to pass through while protecting the candle or ember inside. The name jack-o'-lantern may have originated from an 18th century Irish folktale about a man named Stingy Jack who enjoyed drinking and mischief. He would eventually be doomed to forever walk the earth with only a turnip lantern to light his way. This would inspire the nickname Jack of the Lantern or jack-o'-lantern. When Irish immigrants arrived in the United States in the 19th and early 20th century, they brought these traditions, folk tales, and holidays with them. They would also find a winter squash that was much larger and easier to carve, the pumpkin. So just a little bit of information about jack-o'-lanterns. Happy spooky season. For more information, please visit sunup.okstate.edu or food.okstate.edu.